So we've been using machine learning and AI techniques and technologies for years in cybersecurity to do things like accelerate the productivity of threat analysts and being able to triage security events. We're now applying that in the worlds of data security in a variety of ways. So one of the important ways that we bring machine learning to the bear is how we even discover and classify data, right? And using that as a way to accelerate the rapid nature of how we can look at data and understand its use and put the correct classifications around it. We use it in areas like our risk engine. So we have a series of use cases within our broader data security platform called Data Security Center. We have multiple use cases where we're looking at the security posture around your data in the cloud, around your AI models, and around your cryptography. In all of those areas, when you identify vulnerabilities, you need a way to prioritize the risk and what you're going to take action on. Even when we do data monitoring for malicious activity, if you take all the data logs that a system like Guardium collects and just ship all of that to the SOC and feed all of that into the SIM, it's actually very noisy and it's not so productive. So you need a way to help prioritize what data is going in. And that's how we use our risk engine. And we use a common risk engine in all of those use cases applied in different ways with machine learning driving behind it to look at the assessment of risk and how you think about prioritization of actions to help the productivity of the analyst on the other side that is already dealing with alert fatigue and event fatigue, et cetera, right? To be much more productive. The other way that we've started to incorporate it into the Guardian portfolio is just in the end of this year when we delivered the first instantiation of Data Security Center, we delivered it with generative AI inside. So being able to help give a conversational prompt to a data security analyst that can just interact with the system to be able to understand the data and the insights that they're seeing in the logs and in the information, to be able to more quickly assess, is there an issue that I need to take action on? And starting to use generative AI from the same productivity, things that would have taken them hours, days, weeks to go and research, triage, figure out, that they can solve within minutes of just interacting with the system and being able to correlate information that would otherwise have been a much more manual process. So these are all the ways that we're kind of thinking about and utilizing AI inside for security, and specifically in the context of our Guardian portfolio, and many more that I'm sure we'll dream up in the next coming years as well.